Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fingerprint scanner on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly. In such case, let's try to remove the previous fingerprint model and let's enroll a new one. So first of all, open Settings on your smartphone, then navigate down to Security, to Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock menu, then select Fingerprint Unlock and then enter your password. Select your previously enrolled fingerprints, then remove it, and then let's try to add a new one by tapping Add Fingerprints. Before we do that, let's clean the screen of the smartphone, wiping it with a piece of a microfiber cloth, so that we can be sure that it's clean and smooth and there are no stains on it. And also, if you add a new fingerprint and the problem is still there and you still cannot use your fingerprint to unlock your smartphone, then it might be a screen protector issue. If you have a screen protector on your device's display, then remove it and try to remove it and try to replace it with original Xiaomi screen protector in order to prevent your screen protector from interfering with your fingerprint scanner, because this is the most common issue with fingerprint scanners. But still, let's try to add a new fingerprint. So let's enter the password once again and tap Got It, and then firmly press the circle, the scanner circle with your fingertip. Try using different parts of your fingertip for better experience. And once the fingerprint image is filled with blue color, let's go back, and right now let's also check if we have any software updates on our smartphone. So make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Go to About Phone section, then type on your Xiaomi HyperOS version and check if you have any updates to install. And if you do have any updates for your device, then of course download and install them. Let your phone restart. And if you don't, let's still restart the phone to make sure that all the changes applied. So just press a power button and volume up key at the same time. Then swipe the circle down to reboot the smartphone, and let's wait for a couple of seconds or for minutes until it reboots. Okay, so now let's try to unlock the smartphone. Oh, and the first time we try to unlock it after we restart the phone, it's gonna be using the password. Okay, and now let's try to use the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, it works seamlessly right now. And I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.